So what exactly is the DRX9000?
So the DRX9000 is a disc treatment. It's the most researched disc decompression system in the world. And what it basically does is if we have a disc that's injured, or a lot of times there's compressive load, for example, think about someone that sits all day at work and over time the lower back starts to get compressed or the neck starts to compress. Well, if it compresses too far, the disc material, that spongy material, will start to bulge, start to kind of squish out. And if it goes too far, it'll start to sit on the nerve, and that's what causes pain. DRX9000 works to open that specific disc level, and then the disc can resorb back in, taking pressure off of the nerve.
The DRX9000 pulls on the spine using logarithmic curve, which is a type of pull that's been proven under scientific scrutiny to be able to achieve true decompression. And that study was published in the Journal of Neurosurgery by Dr. Ramos and Martin.
I've been treating patients with DRX9000 for approximately 20 years. And I've been very impressed with the clinical results. 90% of the patients are significantly improved.
One of the features of the DRX9000, which allows us to be successful in treating difficult spinal conditions, is the ability to very precisely change the angle of pull to target a specific disc level in the neck or in the lower back, so that you get targeted decompression of the area of the spine that needs most attention.
But they've gone from a pain level of 9 to maybe 1 or 2 or something like that. A lot of them are asymptomatic. And it's very impressive. Does that treatment last? Yes, it lasts. And so I have a lot of patients. I never see them again. And some of them had large extruded herniated discs with blockage of the central canal, and they're back doing even normal activity. I've treated over 1,000 patients with both the lumbar and cervical DRX9000 unit, and the improvement is seen in all areas.
The DRX is the most amazing experience. It's very relaxing and comforting, but I know that the table in itself is designed to kind of create this space in our backs and the spine. And so I think it's able to kind of release all that pressure from just sitting on top of each other, and creating space is the key. I am way more active. When I get up in the morning, it's not a wonder of, okay, I wonder if I'm going to be able to get groceries today. I wonder if I'm going to get to work out today. I sign up for those workouts the night before because I just feel so confident in how far it's come in just such a short amount of time.
What the DRX has done that I have noticed is my motion. I'm able to turn better, more flexibility, because when you're running drills and cutting boards and running saws all day long, you tend to bend over. So it really does help me straighten up. I have found myself correcting my posture. It doesn't make sense to me to wait till you don't feel good and then be forced to pay when, if you're proactive, then it's the wellness side. And I'd rather pay for the wellness than I would to put the money out for a surgery or anything like that. So it's very important to be proactive on your health.